club. Under the slide.
Oh yeah, on the left of the funnel.
He found down there. I think the slide broke.
Crazy.
Donald's footprints down.
Donald's footprints.
Donald.
Oh wow. Watch your step. Oh, you can see the slide underneath. We're going in the funnel.
You gonna be alright, Dad?
I don't know.
Look at that. The safety instructions.
Oh, you get a water halfway. Water break. You excited? You excited?
I'm scared. I just want you to
Don't be
hold.
scared.
I want you to hold me while. I want you to hold me whilst he pushes us down.
Yeah, it's fine.
I might close my arms whilst he pushes us.
We got to do the rules, look. So you got to put your hands over my legs. Okay?
Yeah, because I want to grip you.
Yeah, and then you hold on to the handles.
Okay.
You ready? Okay, hold on tight. Here we go. Woo! Woo! This is hardcore. Look at the outside, guys. Woo! Oh, it's cool. Woo! Oh, it's so calming. Woo! Look at everybody outside.
I'm not. I'm scared.
Is that good fun? Woo! Woo, we got stuck.
You can move the car.
I had to push it. Woo! Alright, come on the bag. Alright, sir, feet out to the floor, please. We did nearly get stuck halfway. Like, nearly, we had to like push.
Yeah, because of the, you see the ship, it's,
We get
you see all the water, it goes straight all the way down.
yeah, we give a little shove, we're alright.
Yeah, that's a problem because
That's okay. Thank you. Ready? Hold on tight. 1, 2, 3. Woo! La 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 la.
You're so strange.
That's so cool. You had a good time, Lili!
You're so strange.
This is where we got stopped. Ready? Woo! It's fine. Yeah, let's go! Woo!
What an elegant dismount. We're going to come in 5, 4, 3, 2,
I can hear them.
1.
Woo! The Aqua Duck at night.
Black guy to come and get you.
Okay, thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
I do subscribe our channel, turn on our channel.
Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up.
Bam!
Bye guys!
Bye guys.